This is an easy, no-chop salad with an oil-free vinaigrette that you can eat on the daily to make sure you're getting your greens and veggies. If you're new here, my name is Linda and this is Vegan Petite. Go ahead and subscribe, but for now, let's get started on the salad. To have a filling protein source in our salad, we're gonna use a can of drained and rinsed beans. I'm using dark red kidney beans today. We're gonna add 1 can of drained corn, a couple handfuls of cherry tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts. And I like to add the seasonings now so they don't fly all over the place. So we're gonna add black pepper. I also just got this everything bagel seasoning, so I'm adding a little sprinkle of that. Now this coleslaw mix is a real time saver if you can find some. I like to add 2 big handfuls. Now I always keep a big bin like this of fresh spinach in the fridge, so I'll do 2 or 3 big handfuls as well. Now for our easy 3-ingredient oil-free vinaigrette, we're gonna use a 1/3 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. And whisk. Now go ahead and pour over your oil-free vinaigrette and gently toss to combine. Our salad is all tossed and well combined. You can serve as is, but if you want a crunchy little topping, I've been just adding a little handful of these crispy onions, or if you have croutons, that works great too. There's our salad. Beautiful, bountiful, colorful. This is a big salad. We usually split this between 2 people, but let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, there's a lot of flavor going on in this salad. You got the nice protein from the beans, sweet corn, your leafy greens, and juicy tomatoes. And I just really love the flavor of balsamic. It packs a lot of flavor in just such a simple ingredient. So definitely give this salad a try and let me know what you think. If you like this recipe, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want more recipes, I'll have videos for you here and here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.